The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
On July 24th and 25th, electricity supply was disrupted across Georgia due to emergency incidents. It took several hours to gradually restore electricity supplies nationwide following the outages. The State Security Service of Georgia has launched an investigation into the emergency disruption of electricity supply across the country and the two separate outage incidents. Regarding the cause of the incident, the Georgian State Electric System said that efforts are underway to determine the exact causes of the system failure. The European Union has imposed sanctions on a Russian state-controlled energy company, Inter RAO. Inter RAO owns 75% stakes in Telasi, the company responsible for electricity distribution in Tbilisi. In addition, through the Netherlands-based company Gardabani Holdings BV, the Russian energy giant owns two hydropower plants in Georgia, Khram HPP-1 and Khram HPP-2. The European Union has adopted its 21st package of sanctions, which also includes a provision concerning Georgia. Black Sea Petroleum, the country's first full-scale oil refinery, has been given 6 months to diversify away from Russian oil. If the requirement is not met, the Council plans to consider adding the company to the sanctions list within the following 6 months. However, Black Sea Petroleum announced as early as July the 2nd that it would switch to processing crude oil entirely non-Russian origin from August-September. As part of a new sanctions package, the European Union has imposed transaction bans on 14 crypto platforms, including 4 companies registered in Georgia. According to the EU, the decision is aimed at blocking financial channels issued by Russia to circumvent sanctions. In the first half of 2026, Georgia's tourism revenue decreased by 2%. The decline is mainly attributed to a decrease in the number of visitors. Between January and June, 2.73 million international visitors traveled to Georgia, which is 76,000 or 3% fewer than during the same period last year. Rustaveli Avenue has been closed for 4 months for rehabilitation works. The project will continue for 4 months, during which traffic for all types of vehicles will be restricted on the capital's main avenue as well as on a part of Merab Kostava Street. During the first stage of the project, underground utility networks will be replaced, including the rehabilitation of central water supply, wastewater, stormwater drainage and gas supply networks.
The checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.